RMK Engineering College is the brainchild of our chairman Sri R.S. Munirathinam. He started the college in the year 1995 with the sole aim of providing technical education for the rural students, and today it has grown into an institution where world-class engineers have been produced. The Industry Institute collaboration is the cornerstone for educating the 21st century engineers. We strongly believe that collaborating with the industries and the industries coming and giving the training and educating the students will give an holistic education for them.
We are able to see a change in campus recruitment pattern. That is like general campus recruitment hiring was changing towards business unit based hiring.
My own interaction with the various IT-enabled services organizations like TCS, CTS, Infosys and Wipro gave me an impression that they needed a huge number of trained engineers and venture. The industries find it very economical to use the PTC product. And also they are very happy with their service and support. So consequently, PTC was a very obvious choice for us.
A lot of our industry partners said that they had a huge requirement in Windchill and Creo. Then we spoke to PTC and we signed up, and for past 3 years we are training the students on Windchill and Creo.
With the very same objective of providing the best skilled manpower, PTC and RMK over the past 4 years have trained almost 500 students on our traditional products like Creo and Windchill and MathCAD, as well as our latest offerings on IoT on using our platform ThingWorks.
I was very impressed with the PTC's academic initiative, which also offered a highly subsidized program for academic training. And we were very happy with the way they spontaneously interacted with us and offered their full support.
We identified Creo for design engineers is the best suited for fresh graduates. That we framed as Creo PLM training.
When I just think about the Creo, the first thing which comes to my mind is the user interface. The user interface is so simple. That is, it helps me to transform my conceptual design idea into a product so quickly and effectively.
We came across PTC IoT academic program. They have a ThingWorks platform with a cloud computing thing that can be really useful for our students. Nearly 100 plus students are currently working on those platform. They have developed it. They upload it to ThingWorks cloud platform. Later doing a lot of statistical analysis and download it back for the practical application.
My IoT project deals with the development of a smart agro automation system. Initially, when I had to implement this project, I had many issues as such of while working with cloud platforms. When I was introduced to PTC ThingWorks IoT platform, it was very useful. I actually implemented various sensor values and incorporated into a cloud platform, by means of which I got the values through the mashup, and through the mashup it can be displayed to a farmer who is at anywhere in the world.
Because of Windchill and Creo training, we are able to see a very good increase in core offers, and students were happy. Our industry partners were also happy because they get a job-ready students from our institutions.
We at RMK have been long focusing on giving the additional training for the students that is relevant to the industries and the current technologies.
In the future, we would get this alliance even more stronger with introducing new portfolio to our trainings like the augmented reality and the digital twin.
PTC is helping us with its wide range of offerings. These offerings benefit the students a lot. In fact, PTC is a partner to our great success story.